Welcome back to our training on homogenizers. In this video, we will cover the topic of transmission within the drive compartment of the homogenizer. The transmission is the system that transfers power from the motor to the plungers. This includes the V-belt drive and the gears. The V-belt drive consists of a driving pulley mounted on the motor and a driven pulley on the pump's drive shaft. The V-belts ensure efficient power transmission. It is crucial that these belts are properly tensioned to ensure optimal operation. In addition, the gear transmission plays an important role. This transmission reduces the speed of the motor rotation and increases the torque, allowing the plungers to move with the correct speed and force. Regular inspection and lubrication of the gears are essential to prevent wear and extend the machine's service life. Always make sure to thoroughly check for any visible signs of wear, tear, or potential damage, and please ensure that all internal parts are consistently well lubricated. In summary, the transmission system plays a critical role as it ensures effective power transmission from the motor directly to the plungers, which is absolutely essential for the overall efficiency of the homogenizer. Thank you very much for your close attention to this guide, and we look forward to seeing you in the next training video.